this is Ayansh. Welcome to Tutorial. Like, subscribe and share. Hello kids. Today I'm going to tell you a story of Snake and Parrot. Deep in a dense jungle, there live a family of parrots in their nest. The mother parrot and lay their eggs in the nest. The parrots each said to each other, "Rainy season is around the corner and the little ones are about to be born. Let's go and collect some food for feeding the little ones." The parrot flew in search of food. The snake lives in the mud burrow. Hunting the parrots, heard the parrot speak. The snake said to himself, "Let me feast on the eggs while they are gone." The snake climbed a tree and crept into the nest. He looked at the egg with an evil grin and started feasting on them. Parrots, after collecting food, returned back to their nest. They found a broken eggshells and they started to cry. A monkey hunting for food came by its side. Looking at the parrot's cry, and the monkey said, "Start to see more than tears. Tell me the story. I'm all ears." The sad parrot replied to the monkey, "Why are you gone in search of food? My eggs eaten by the snake with the hood." The monkey felt sad and it asked the snake, "Why did you eat the eggs that were in the nest?" The snake meanwhile hissed and snapped at the monkey and said, "How dare you rushing me once more, and I will bite you." The monkey sits all sad with the parrots. Monkey gets an idea. Monkey calls a crow. "Caw, caw." The monkey tells the crow what it had happened. The princess moves the jewel while she takes the shower. Can you fly to the courtyard, pick the jewel and drop it into the snake's burrow? Crow agrees to the idea and said, "Caw, caw. I'll be more than happy to do that. To get rid from a mean snake. Caw." The crow flies to the castle and sees the princess taking a shower. He saw the royal jewel under the table. The crow swoops down, grabs the jewel and flies into the snake's burrow. The maid of the princess notices it and yells out to the guards, "Crow thief! Crow thief! Steal the jewel! Catch! Catch!" The guard heard the men squeak and start to run behind the crow. The crow dropped the jewel into the snake's burrow and perched on the tree. The jewel landed on the neck of the sleeping snake. "Wow, that's a lovely jewel." The guard with a spear digged the snake's burrow and the snake came up. The guards asked the snake to hand over the jewel and the snake said, "This is mine. Finders, creepers, and losers are reapers." Na 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 na. The guards got so angry and killed the snake with a spear and took the jewel away. Parrot, monkey,